Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to print the month and weekday names in a Python. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output. The command is Python month week names. My file name.py, enter. And notice here we got January, February, March, April up to December, and we got month names Monday to Sunday.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which I have created on my desktop, and this is a folder is added to our VS Explorer. Now the next step, I am adding one new file called month week names.py, and here the newly created file is open. First, what I am doing, import. Let's import a calendar. Print month names and weekday names. So first I want to print month names. So for that, the code is for m_name. I'm getting one variable in calendar dot month underscore name. Then I'm adding print, and I'm adding m_name. That's it. After that, I'm adding a pass. Then print /n. I'm adding one line, and this step to add a new line between month names and weekday names. Now I want to print the weekday names. So for that, for weekday name in calendar dot day_name. That's it. Then I want to print the wd_name. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's save this file. Save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output. The command is Python month week names. My file name.py, enter. And notice here we got January, February, March, April up to December, and we got month names Monday to Sunday. That's it. In this video tutorial, I will explain how to print the month names and weekday names in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.